Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial, we will create the text erase under the water or text under the water. Whatever you call. So without wasting more time, let's dive into our timeline. For this project, we requires only one video of beach of top view. I will select this part from here. Press I for input and O for output. Now only this part, I want to drag it to my timeline. So press comma in your keyboard. That inserts your clip on a timeline. Now add the text by clicking on this T icon. You can write your text direct here. Or just double-click on this text layer. Essential Graphics panel will open. By selecting this T icon, you can write the text. Alternatively, you can write the text from here also by double-clicking on this. Let us align it properly. Extend the text up to here. Let us select this track. And by selecting this layer, let's trim it by pressing W in your keyboard. I will move this text position below here. Let us make some room. Now duplicate this layer by holding Alt key and drag it up by pressing left button in your mouse. In opacity panel, select this icon and mask this water wave. Now here I will give the animation for mask path. By selecting this mask, I will drag it towards below. Still we need to give keyframes for the mask path. Before that, let us see how it's look. Here you can see the mask path. It has not fixed properly. Let us fix the mask path properly. Now done my masking. Let us check once our preview. You can see here edge of our text is visible. Select the mask and let us fix it. Now done. Let us check it now. Looks good. I hope this video is more helpful to you. Please give the like and subscribe the channel. I will meet you in the next video. Until have a nice day.